everyone, welcome back for Styles Beauty Holiday Reviews. This is part 2 in our series. If you missed our first video, make sure to click the link in the description where we had a look at Fenty and Hourglass and what they're offering this holiday season. And what are we going to be doing today, Liang?
Yeah, so today we're looking at 2 more brands, and we're looking at Nars and Dior. Nars is actually started by a makeup artist called Francois Nars, and he was really famous back in the 90s because he was working with all the supermodels. I'm sure you know Naomi Campbell, Christy Turlington, and he was the person who basically made it sexy for them to just have very beautiful skin. His collection for the holidays is actually inspired by Studio 54. The colors here are very party-centric. It's just a taste of all the glitter that you can think of.
So I think what we'll do is we're going to each try and create our ultimate Studio 54 look. This one is full of glitz and glam and a bit of a red.
Love it.
So this is going to be for Liang, and I'm going to go with this one, which is more some pinks and a little bit more neutrals, and we will see who can come up with a better Studio 54 look.
Yeah, I'm going to use my fingers because it warms the colors and goes on stronger, but I think you should try the brushes and let me know how it goes. Yeah. Well, really excited when I saw this palette because it's got this amazing red sequin color and a little bit of a terracotta red here as well, so I wanted to try this trend because it's been really pretty popular amongst like the K-pop stars and also like influencers, so this is the look.
I think this is a real like Christmas party look.
Yeah, obviously, definitely with the sequins.
Yeah, you should be wearing this for Christmas Eve. For my look, I was playing around and I experimented with this gold over here. It's really, really shiny. I think this is quite nice and it gives you enough like flexibility to add a little bit of color or to have a more neutral look. All right, tell us, what is this palette?
This one is actually a blusher palette, so you can see different colors, but as you can see, these are probably good for the blush, but I would use this for contouring and then for highlight. So if you missed the part where I actually literally highlighted Bridget's nose into a Rudolph reindeer effect, then you should catch the last video. But right now, I think we should do it right. The brush is actually very well formed, I would say, because when I use it as a blusher, like I can just go like this a little bit on top and then just sort of do this, like here. And then once you're done, you can just kind of like just swirl it around here, like for contouring purposes. Okay. And then finally, I would use this actually for the highlights. So this is another brush in the set. Would you carry this to a party?
I honestly wouldn't, just because I don't have space for it in my bag. I get the inspiration, but it's a little bit too much for me. It's kind of fun because you can play with the sequins.
That's right.
So you can have it blue or purple. I don't know. But
things to do when you're bored at a party.
I think I would gift all of these.
Yeah.
These are not a keeper for me because even though I like some of the colors, I don't think I would get enough use out of it.
I am pretty much going to gift them as well, but I would say I would probably keep this only because I feel like after seeing so many eyeshadow palettes in, you know, just all the holiday collections, I think this is quite unique, the colors here, so I would probably keep this one. But the rest I would probably gift as well.
Last but not least, we are reviewing Dior's holiday collection. and it's by far, out of all of them we've looked at, has the most products that they've made available. So what are we going to be looking at today, Liang?
Dior's creative director, Peter Phillips, he is also one of the world's most renowned makeup artists, and his collection for this holiday season is actually very much inspired by fireworks. So even when you open up like all the packaging, they would say Happy 2020. So I think that's a big inspiration and big drive behind this collection. So I'm thinking we'll see a lot of sparkles and colors inspired by the fireworks. Some of the images that comes with the collection actually showcase the eyeshadows in like a very 60s way of application. So Bridget and I are going to try to recreate that.
So before we go on, you mentioned that these are kind of 60s inspired. We just looked at another collection that's like 70s inspired. Are we seeing kind of retro glam as like a comeback on the runways?
Yes, Bridget, you're very on point. Basically glitter and just that twiggy eye and all these looks are coming back so strongly this season and also next season. So I think this palette is definitely going to last you until at least summer. So my palette here is actually a lot more smoky. So I would say nightwear is quite good. And yours is a lot more peacocky, I would say, the colors.
Peacock is a very good description of it. I actually have no idea how I'm going to make this one work.
It's pretty cool. Like this one, I can imagine using it to use it like an eyeliner. And then this one, you can just kind of like put it on. And then very quickly, there's another brush here that you can kind of just blend it in, which is very rare. I don't really see this often in eyeshadow palettes.
Okay, epic fail for me, but
I tried.
Did you even put any on?
I did, look. I tried to put more black here, and then black.
You gotta use all the colors, girl.
I did, look. Gold.
Ah, not enough.
Oh.
All right, a try.
We tried.
I tried.
We tried.
Okay, so palettes, gift or keep?
Gift.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's a gift for me as well.
Yeah.
Actually, when I look at it, I like the colors. I even like the idea of having the bright colors, but maybe it's because I wasn't using my normal makeup brushes. But the pigment, it doesn't go on as strong as what it seems in the pictures. And I think that for such strong colors, it needs to be like that, or else it kind of is a bit half and half, and it doesn't come out as good.
I think it makes a beautiful gift, though. That's for sure. Like the packaging, everything is in there. But I would like pigments that are stronger, definitely.
Yes. So let's see how we go with their lipsticks.
Yeah.
Because they gave us a whole range of lipsticks to try.
Yes.
So I'm sure between you and I, we can find the right shades for us. So what are these ones?
So these ones are actually also part of the Happy 2020 collection. So this range is actually called Rouge Dior, whereas this range is actually the Diorific range. So it's a little bit more expensive than the Rouge Dior range. And the colors here are usually very sparkly. Actually, these colors from Dior, Rouge Dior at least, are not new colors, but they are definitely the best-selling rate colors, like the 999. These ones come in a different texture. There's a matte version and then a normal hydrating version of it.
Yeah, they do seem quite nice, but also quite light. I kind of like your swatching a little bit better because they seem a little bit stronger in their color.
I feel like the colors are very French for these lipsticks, but I think I expected more glitter. It's like a disco ball, but when it comes out, it's quite wearable. I think you could wear it anytime you want. Yeah,
I might actually buy this one.
Yeah?
This is a keeper for me.
Okay.
And this matte red I think would be a keep. The rest I would probably gift.
I love the 999, so I will probably keep it. I am a little bit disappointed with the purple, but I would wear it, but I guess I will keep the purple, but the rest I will probably gift.
The rest you would gift. And that's why you could get one of these. We have some more lipstick.
This is one of their iconic reds as well. All the reds you can think of, and one pink.
So I think if you're going to gift this set.
Yes.
Because basically some of the colors we already swatched. Yeah, I think this would make a great gift for your mom for Christmas.
The two others that we haven't tried yet, these are actually the Diorific range of nail polish. And finally, we have these little things here. Can you guess what they are?
Lip gloss?
No. Well, it's actually an eyeliner eyeshadow combination. So you can pretty much use it all over your eyelids, or you could just use it as a little bit of a bold little liner.
All right, I'll give this one a try. You want to give the gold one?
I will. I think it would fit this one, I think, actually. Let's see.
Let's have a
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's quite interesting because it goes on kind of wet, but then it dries into like any other powder eyeshadow. The pigment is really strong. So if we had a little thing like this with a couple of these liquid eyeshadows, I think I would buy that.
Yeah. It's 24 days to Christmas, so every day you have a little gift in the little windows.
Maybe if you're not into makeup, but you're into other kind of beauty products, then this is maybe something for you or your family over the holidays.
Absolutely. They have everything from Dior, from perfumes to candles.
So you know what this reminds me of?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a better version of whenever Christmas rolls around and my brother gets me a gift, it's inevitably like he can't think what to get, so he just gets those like bath package.
Yeah,
things.
exactly. But this is like a better version.
But this is a better version of that. So are you keeping or gifting?
Oh, definitely keeping. So this is actually the lucky star. Mr. Dior, he actually believes that this is his lucky symbol. So he calls it his lucky star. So on that note, happy 2020 to everyone who's watching our video, and thank you so much for all your support. We've tried all 4 brands of holiday collections, so we want to hear from you. So comment below, subscribe, and like our videos.